Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get the jump pad in Grow a Garden. So you need to complete this obby, which is very difficult to do, I must say, because you need to figure out like where is the correct place to go. See, like even that is like incorrect. But once you finish the the obby, you'll get this jump pad here, the one that's here. I'm not even going to attempt to do it because it is pretty difficult to do. So you're just going to do the obby in that time frame, and it's going to only spawn in events. So yeah, it is very annoying to do. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.